is diamond.
What you playing, Tay Tay?
Huh?
What you playing?
What?
What's the name of the game?
This?
Yeah.
Minecraft.
Oh, okay.
What?
No, just asking.
You forgot?
Yeah, I did. Sorry.
Are you trying to play the game?
No. I'm watching you play. I'm watching you build stuff. I said, I'm just watching you build stuff.
No, Dilly. Dilly, where are you?
How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
6.
You 6 years old?
Yes.
Ah.
You mean you do a video?
Yep. Go ahead and go finish playing.
So you to remember?
Yes.
Oh, so you did know everything.
Yes.
You know the name of the game.
Yes, I do.
Every day.
Every day.
Oh, I see. Because you just want to make sure on there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And he didn't want to lay down because he just wanted to make a video.
Yep.
Diddy, where are you? I'm going to help you today. First of all, I need to put my stuff away. Because I have so much.
Which one? You want the top? You want the bottom? Take on.
Top.
Oh, okay.
I'm on the top. And then it's on the bottom. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Okay, Daddy?
Yes.
You just wanted to know to make a video?
No, I forgot.
Huh?
I forgot.
You see me? Really?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm gonna put my stuff away. Only 3 stuff. 2. I'm gonna help. Daddy,
Yes.
remember we made this?
Yep. What's that? The bridge?
Yeah.
Oh.
That you made. And I made the top.
Yep.
And okay, just so you know, I'm not the top, then it's at the bottom.
Okay.
And here's my skin. I'm
That's,
an elf.
alright.
And I need to tell you my new name is the Easy Guy Gamer, and the Easy Guy Gamer had the skin. It was an elf, like that elf.
Oh, okay.
And you might send it?
Yep.
Okay, that's cool. And drop door. What's a trap door? Wait, I did. So I'm gonna make it a dungeon. And this is my dungeon.
That's your dungeon?
Daddy, how you spell dungeon?
D-U-N.
This is D. That's you?
No, that's a W.
That's you? No, wait.
Thank you, Daddy, because
What else? What else?
Your brother said N?
N? You said daddy? Daddy.
No, that's not how you spell it. D-U-N.
That's how you spell it?
Nah, G-on, dungeon. I don't know, it might be.
That's how you spell it?
I think so. Word up. Now I'm old.
That's how you spell dungeon.
No.
In.
No.
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 Yes.
Wait, put the O back. I'm about to tell you right now.
No.
I think it's G-O-N. I think you got it right.
That I got it right.
Yeah.
See no.
Mm.
Dungeon.
Wait.
See? Huh? I'm right. I'm right. You two are wrong. See no. See, I'm sounding it out.
Yeah, no.
Ta-da! See, can you get back on it? Oh, you want to see what I put in this dungeon? It's a maze dungeon.
It's a maze dungeon.
No, it's just a dungeon. What's the chest? Really, I forgot what's the chest. Put the chest somewhere. Forget it. Daddy, will you play the videos that did different sounds?
What do you mean, different sounds?
Yeah. No, don't push it though. Because I want to send it.
Oh, okay.
And that's my trap over there's a lava trap. And in case you don't know what's a lava lake, that's a lava lake.
Oh, okay. Over there?
And I use the bricks or diamond blocks. That's how I made it higher and higher. And let me show you how to do it. First, you need you need lava. You used to do it water, like same way you do this.
Oh, okay.
Let me see. In case you don't know how you do it. That. Always do it like this. I'm doing it quickly, so I just hold it like that. Just hold, see? Watch. Daddy.
Yes.
That's how.
Oh, okay.
That's how I did all the rest.
Oh.
Put it on every side. And do it at the top. And it takes too long, I do this. See?
I see. Good job.
And sometimes I'll do it and I'm gonna show you what everything is. See? This, in case you don't know how to play Minecraft, like Kella, you do it like this, you go down so you can move it. When it's light, that's how you should do that. You do left and I'm not gonna make a video because it's dangerous. It blows up everything.
It does.
You just need that. And let me show you. I'm just gonna show you how to do it. Like that, and like that, like that, like that. Can't put one in the middle, but I'm not gonna do it.
Oh, okay.
Don't blow up everything.
Oh, all right, okay.
And this is how me and Daddy, my father, we built this underground house in the bridge. I'm gonna show you the inside. Hey, where's the door?
I think it's on the other side. I'm not sure.
Really?
You could go through the water.
I covered it up.
You covered it up?
Yeah, cause.
Can't you go through the water to get through?
How about what is this?
You gotta go through the chimney?
Yes. And this is me and Daddy chimney. That's the we have a chimney over there. And let me show. And this is the inside of the house. There's a lot of torches. And I was gonna put everything the house needs later. And these are doing night vision. You need to be creative to build this. So creative mode.
Creative mode?
Yeah, you show you to do that because it's hard to get bricks.
It is? Oh, okay.
Yeah. So this is it.
Until next time.
No?
Yes, till next time.
That's it?
I'm done.